Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use UnitedHealthcare UCard. Start by downloading the UnitedHealthcare mobile app on your iPhone or Android device. After signing in, go to the UCard Hub section inside the app. In the UCard Hub, tap on Activate Card. You will then see a few steps on the screen to complete the activation process. Follow each step carefully and confirm your information when requested. Once activation is complete, your UCard will be ready to use. Now let's talk about what your UCard can do. Depending on your specific United Healthcare plan, your card may include benefits for over-the-counter products, healthy foods, and even utility bills. You can use your card to buy approved over-the-counter items such as vitamins, cold medicine, toothpaste, and other health products. Some plans also allow you to purchase eligible groceries including fruits, vegetables, dairy products, and other healthy food items. To shop in person, visit participating stores such as Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, or Kroger. At checkout, scan the barcode on your physical UCard or show the digital card inside the app to apply your available credits. You can also shop online through the United Healthcare member portal and order approved products directly to your home. Thanks for watching.